Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install Shopify Theme Kit. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Let's begin at your Shopify homepage, the central hub of your online store. So with your Shopify store open, direct your attention to the search icon typically found at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now type in Theme Access in the search bar. As you type, Shopify may start suggesting matches even before you finish. Be sure you select Theme Access from the list of suggestions to guide you to the correct setting. Once you've found and clicked on Theme Access, you'll be taken to a dedicated page where you can customize and control aspects related to your store's theme. With Theme Access open, navigate to the section where the Shopify Theme Kit can be installed. It should be presented with a clear call to action, often labeled as Install or something similar. Click on this option to commence the installation. Shopify will likely prompt you with installation instructions or confirmations. Simply follow these cues. They're typically straightforward and designed with user-friendliness in mind. Congratulations on reaching this point. You've now successfully learned how to initiate the installation of the Shopify Theme Kit. And that's it. So that is how you can install Shopify Theme Kit. So that's all for this video. Thanks.